Hello and welcome to the Best for Agents online tutorial session. In this session, you will learn how to broadcast your newsletters to all of your clients. First, we'll click on our Broadcast Manager option. Then, we go on Schedules under the item Newsletter. Once we do that, in our first part, we see Schedule Newsletter, Category, and Newsletter Theme. Under the option of Category, we can scroll down and see our different options. The first one is Custom Newsletter, Listing Newsletters, Pre-sale Projects, which is only for our premium customers to use, and System Newsletter. Today, we will go through System Newsletter. These newsletters prepare with Best for Agents Professional Writer. By choosing this category, we will get some subcategories under Newsletter Theme. Here, I will choose what to look for in the buyer section. Then, I will type in the title, Buyer's Tips. This is the subject of my email. Underneath, you will see a window called Select Contact. Here, you can select all contacts or choose Select All Category. I will go through category. Now, my customers are all divided into categories: investors, seller, first-time buyer, buyer, and etc. But because my newsletter theme is buyer and what to look for, I will go with the category that involves only the buyers. I will deselect all the other ones and only select first-time buyer and buyer. Now, I will click on Add Contact. Now I see all the contacts that are willing to buy in my list. You can also add a new contact in the box beneath. Once you type the contact's email, you press Add to Contact List. Now, your new contact is added to the list. Your next step is to make sure that you select all of your contacts that are in the box. After you select them all, you can either decide to send your email immediately or schedule it for a later date. In this example, I would like to show you that I want to schedule my email to be sent out at a later date. You press on Schedule Send On, you go on the calendar icon and select a specific date. Once you select your date, you press on Preview. By clicking Preview, you can now see what kind of an email you're sending. User can use this address if they want to send email with link to that newsletter. By clicking Preview, you can now see what kind of an email you're sending. Now you can close that window and press Send. After we are done sending out our newsletters, we can check the status of our activities by going into the History section. By looking at my work history, I can see that 3 of the jobs have been sent and 1 of them is still active because the scheduled date is later on. So in this session, we have learned how to broadcast our newsletters and keep track of our work activities. It is recommended to test these steps before by yourself a few times. If you have any difficulties, you can always contact support by emailing to support@bestforagents.com or submit a ticket to support team from Tickets section in admin.